Alright, this is going to be a walk around of my 2004 GMC Envoy. In the front, we got a Bullbar here. I got a Denali grill, a little plate bolt-ins, and I got some aftermarket headlights. You can see they're blacked out, same style as the OEM ones. And I got my windshield tinted to 50%, as well as the driver and passenger side to the factory in the rear. For the sides, I got rid of the running boards just for more ground clearance. For my wheels, I got 2-inch spacers, front and back. Obviously, painted calipers. Let's show you the engine real fast. Basically all I got is chicane and intake, some makeshift insulation, and some exhaust wrap on the intake. Actually helps, surprisingly. Alright, now let's show you the rear. Gee, thanks. Alright, for the rear, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I go closer, yeah. Main thing, we got this light bar. I'll show you where that mounts. I had to zip tie it because the adhesive it came with is kind of crap. Might as well, since I have this open, I can show you. I removed my seats. Maybe this angle. Alright. Just random tow hitch. Got a straight pipe with a nice little tip. Aftermarket tail lights. Let me close this. And to the top, just random very nice little. Thought it looks pretty funny. I'll show you from this side. I could show you start up real fast. It is straight piped if I didn't mention that before. I think that's pretty much it. I'll show you, just put some LED bulbs in there. If you have any suggestions, let me know what you think.